out. Breathe out. Yes. 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 Guys, I wanted to show him doing the adjustment because he was very stiff और मुझे लगा कि मैं कितना कर पाऊँगा, कितना टाइट है. बट फॉर्चुनेटली जो हमने रिलीज़ किया, जो हमने नीडलिंग किया, जो हमने कपिंग किया, आई वुड से नथिंग इज़ 100% बट आई हैव अचीव 95% इनके एडजस्टमेंट के साथ में. अब हम बैक का लोअर बैक का एडजस्टमेंट करेंगे. टर्न करेंगे मेरी तरफ. Straight. Straight. Easy. Head back. Relax. Breathe out. Breathe out. I didn't achieve it, so we'll wait for the next time. Other side. This leg straight. Easy. Relax. Easy. Viewers, yes, we achieved 20 or 25% of his left side. Straight. Easy. This is equally stiff. बहुत टाइट है ये भी. Easy. Easy.
Paradise.
Imagine कितने स्टिफ होगा. बैठेंगे. And 2 words for the viewers about your first experience.
That pain is gone. I had a back pain, which was an SI joint pain in my left side. I think it is gone. The adjustment is done. I will again like to see it for another 2-3 days, and definitely I'm coming back again. This time I'm going to come for the weight cupping therapy.
Okay.
And adjustment, of course.
So viewers, you can see his structure काफ़ी ज़्यादा stiff हैं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा tight हैं. But जितना मैंने first session में achieve किया, I'm more than happy. मैंने सोचा था कि शायद 3-4 session लगेंगे उतना achieve करने के लिए. So work is done. He's been in pain for past February.
6 months now.
6 months now. So we had promised him कि पूरा ठीक हो जाएंगे. कुछ normal wear and tear body में चलता रहता है, but that is all normal. And if you like our content, I know a lot of viewers wants to see the whole process, but हम इतना ज़्यादा cupping और needling और hizama weight coming show कर चुके होते हैं कि we don't want to repeat same thing. We would like to show you as a new different patient and their experience.
So if you are anyone who's lifting heavy, doing heavy squats, heavy deadlifts, I would suggest you need to come here almost every month to get your adjustment done.
Yes.
Otherwise, you're prone to injury.
Yes. And we are starting a new clinic in the Gurgaon, which should be open up by the second week max in the September on Golf Course Road, South Point Mall. So you can visit there also. Thank you.